Hey guys, it's Antriksha Bhandari and today I'm going to be making a video on 10 productive things to do when you're bored. So without wasting any time, let's dive in. So the number one thing on my list is to read books. Reading expands our mind, our consciousness, improves our skill sets, and the list goes on and on. How interesting it is that a single book consists of thousands of hours of work and knowledge and efforts of an author put together in, let's say, a few hundred pages. Plus, there are so many genres of literature that you can pick from. So if you're bored, go grab an interesting book, because what better way to improve your knowledge and imagination at the same time? Next on my list is my absolute favorite thing to do on today's video, and that is getting to know yourself, specifically your mind and body type. There are so many resources available online for free, like videos and quizzes that will help you figure out what mind and body type you have, what kind of energies you have within you, maybe understanding more about the 3 Ayurvedic doshas and learning more about the kind of foods that work the best for you. You know, whenever I have time on my hand, this is one of the most interesting things that I love to do, and then even make the lifestyle changes accordingly. So I think you guys should try it out too. Now we all know how productive it is to clean and organize, right? So I want to be a bit more specific here, and I'll tell you to clean those damn shoes of yours, especially those white ones. Yes, I know you skipped a day, a week, a month, and then it became many months, and now your awesome shiny white shoes have turned into ugly, muddy brown ones. I don't know, you get the point, right? You know who you are. So get down to work, put on some music and clean those damn shoes. I did that yesterday and I've been proud of myself for the entire day, and plus my shoes seem pretty happy. Next up on the list is to get active. We've been so lazy and inactive this entire quarantine, and honestly it can have a long-term negative health impact. So try and take a break from time to time from the screens that you've glued your eyes onto, and just move around to do some good stretches, maybe improve your flexibility, polish your splits, do some Pilates. LOL, I just remembered a friend that wanted to do this for more than 6 months and she hasn't even started yet. Please do it. And also, if you do not want to do like a heavy workout or strength training, you can always opt for the simpler exercises, for example yoga and cycling and walking, or just a free happy dance for about 20 minutes to get you moving and put you in high spirits. The next thing that you can try to kill your boredom is digital declutter. Delete the apps from your phone that you haven't used since quite long, unsubscribe from all the spam emails, go through your gallery and delete the unnecessary photos and videos, and do your devices a favor by letting them breathe in some fresh, freed up storage spaces. Next up on the list is taking an online course or just learning online. Now there are so many apps available online, Skillshare being one, and this video is not sponsored by Skillshare, let me make that very clear, but it's a great platform where you can learn new skills and enhance your knowledge. And also you could learn new languages. Ami tomake khub bhalobashi. But like seriously, you can download Duolingo, again not sponsored, and learn new languages and utilize your free time in a productive manner. Je t'aime. Je t'aime. Je t'aime. Je t'aime. Whatever. Another fun activity to do when you're bored is checking in on the photo albums. Sort through the old photos and get them organized in new folders or albums. Maybe get a few pictures framed or reframe the old ones, or just go through the old pictures to look back at your life and revive some good memories and let the nostalgia take over.
Here's to the ones that we got. Cheers to the wish you were here but you're not, 'cause the drinks bring back all the memories of everything we've been through. Ooh.
The next thing on our list is creating a dreams journal. Now normal journaling is very important because we should be taking account of how we are feeling from time to time, but to make things a bit more interesting, you can try creating a dreams journal for yourself. So pick up a journal of your choice and write or paste stuff about your dreams, things that you want to do and achieve in your life, your career dreams, your life dreams, and make it as interesting as possible so that you can feel good and motivated whenever you go back to it any day. Number 9 on the list could have been divided into 2 different things, but I'm putting them in the same category because I believe they come from a similar knowledge base. And the thing is podcasts and documentaries. Since past 1 year, I've been obsessed with the podcast and I can't tell you how much they've benefited me. And also, if you're binge watching on some show, you can easily take out 1 hour every week and invest in a good documentary and kind of kill your boredom in a productive manner. And I'll be putting a screen of some of the podcast and documentaries, so be ready to screenshot it now. Reaching towards the end, and I have another cool activity for everyone, and that is making cool playlists. I don't know if this ever happens with you, but it happens with me all the time. Whenever I'm down for like a workout session and I put on some music, the song turns out to be of a completely different mood, and then I have to sit down and go through all my favorites and make a new workout playlist, because I don't do that when I'm free and I should be doing that. So whenever you're bored, pull up all your favorite songs and make cool playlists for your different moods. And also, it's a great way to discover new music. I'm doing this today and I think it's a great way to pass my time in a nice way, so you should try it out too. With this, we have come to the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed the 10 things. I think I can do 50 or even 100 things to do when you're bored. Well, I can give you bonus number 11, a thing that you can do right now, and that is commenting down below. Or not. Signing off for now. Have a great day, everyone. Take care. Love you. Bye bye.